To begin the demonstration, we'll need something to break. Let's crash a simulated version of the PagerDuty website. I've immediately received a phone call, text message, and push notification, all from the PagerDuty platform. With PagerDuty's new public status page capabilities, your customers can check on system status, as well as subscribe to receive updates.
PagerDuty bridges the gap between customer support and back-office engineering. Since it looks like we are already aware of the issue, let's link this case to the PagerDuty incident so our responders have visibility into customer impact. I'll also check to see if there are any status updates. That way I can relay the most up-to-date information to this customer. Since no updates have been posted, I'll quickly add a note to let our responders know this issue is impacting customers.
Here on the service desk, I can see that PagerDuty automatically created an incident in ServiceNow. Since it looks like our customer support team is also receiving calls about this issue, I'll post a quick work note to make sure our back office teams are aware of the impact of this outage. Additionally, I'll send a PagerDuty status update, right here from ServiceNow, to keep our executive team and business stakeholders in the loop.
Here on the website dev team, it looks like PagerDuty automatically created an issue in Jira, and that this issue is affecting both customers and employees. I'll post a note to responders to let them know that we can roll back a recent code release, if necessary.
Here we see the PagerDuty web UI on the left, and our industry-leading mobile application on the right. I'll first acknowledge this incident, to take ownership and halt any further escalations. Let's answer two key questions. First, why did my phone ring? Well, that's because I belong to a multi-shift on-call schedule, complete with support for scheduled overrides. These on-call schedules support a multi-tier escalation policy, ensuring no alert notifications ever fall through the cracks. The second question is, how did this alert end up being routed to my team? PagerDuty's advanced event orchestration capabilities facilitate the ingestion, routing, enrichment, alert suppression, and ultimately the triggering of automated diagnostics and remediation once an alert enters our platform. Back on the PagerDuty incident form, we can see that an incident workflow has automatically been triggered. This workflow provisioned a conference bridge and mobilized the appropriate responders. Our seamless integration with Salesforce Service Cloud and other case management solutions provides responders with real-time visibility into customer impact. PagerDuty Automation Actions enables your responders to initiate diagnostics, even without the necessary access or knowledge. Let's query Quantum Metric to see how many failed page loads have occurred so far. With over 5,000 failed page loads, and visibility into linked customer cases, I should bump this incident to a P1, which could trigger another incident workflow. Thanks to PagerDuty's ability to ingest changes from ITSM deployment and CI/CD pipeline tools, responders can be alerted to potential change-related root cause. Here we see a real-time Datadog widget, so that your responders don't have to Alt-Tab to another UI while troubleshooting. PagerDuty intelligently correlates alerts using time-based, content-based, and algorithm/machine learning methodologies. Past Incidents provides responders and problem managers with a heat map of past similar issues, median incident duration, and links to past incidents to shorten the diagnose phase of incident response. To provide responders with as much context as possible during an outage, Related Incidents leverages machine learning to highlight other issues in the environment that could be related to this one. Remember the event orchestration we saw earlier? It was configured to trigger automated diagnostics if the alert came from our Docker environment. We see the result of those diagnostics here on the right. They were automatically gathered at the same time my phone was ringing. Since so many employees and executives live in various ChatOps solutions, I've switched over to Slack to show that PagerDuty status updates have been published to a dedicated stakeholders channel. Additionally, all of the back-office communications and diagnostics are here in a separate channel. Since we now know that this issue is related to a failed Docker container, let's push out another PagerDuty status update directly from Slack. We immediately see this new status update has been pushed to the stakeholders channel. And I've received a text message as well. But why stop there? PagerDuty automation actions can be used for more than just gathering diagnostics. They can trigger remediation actions or playbooks as well. These actions can be initiated from our web UI, ChatOps solutions such as Slack or Microsoft Teams, or even the PagerDuty mobile app. Let's deploy a web server Docker container from the PagerDuty mobile application. We can watch the deployment execute in real time from any of the integrated tools we've shown. And just like that, the incident has been resolved.
PagerDuty has automatically marked the incident as resolved in ServiceNow.
It looks like PagerDuty also set this Jira issue status to done.
I can see that our website is back up, and our phones have stopped ringing. Real-time status updates resulted in happier customers by the end of each call.
Keep your business always on. Improve customer satisfaction. And protect your organization's bottom line. PagerDuty, ready for anything, in a world of digital everything.